Hello friends, Namaskar. Today we'll discuss some new things, some new topics about the environment, and I hope you will like these videos. And yeah, in our yesterday's videos, there are lots of likes, a lots of comments, and I'm happy with all of you. So friends, if you want to join us, then please try to join us on our channel. And in these classes, we are mainly talking about about all the subjects which are related to the state PCS examinations, or you can say UPSC examinations, because environment is a very important topic, and the question have been asked have been asked and are going to be asked various times in our examinations, because every exams, if there is exam of 120 question or 150 questions, so about 15 to 20 questions have been asked from these sections. Then try to attend these questions in a proper way, because these questions are totally related to the science and the current affairs. So these are easy. So I think we should start now. And any one of you who is live there, try to comment there. Well, so our today's first question is, which of the following region of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspots? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Well, the question is there that which of the following region of India has been designated, okay, has been designated as biodiversity hotspot. Means we have to talk about the biodiversity and hotspot. Two things are there. Biodiversity hotspot. Select the correct option over there. So these are the options. So first thing is there that we will not move to the option. We will move to the question. That what are the key points for the questions? What are the key points for the questions? And there are 6 to 9 people are there who are live. So it's my humble request to them. Then please, if you are watching me online, then please try to comment your answers. Yeah, everyone. If you know the questions, then please try to answer these questions. That will help us to know about you. Well, so as I'm saying, so which of the following region of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspot? Biodiversity hotspot. So two things are there. First thing is the biodiversity, next is the hotspot. As I'm saying again, biodiversity is the most important topic. Two topics are very most important. That is ecology. That is ecology. Then biodiversity and next is the sustainable development goal. Sustainable development goal. You will find questions in every exam. You will find questions in every exam from these sections. So it's a request to you. Then please try to attend these questions. Well, so as I'm saying, so we have to talk about the hotspot, biodiversity, then hotspot. So first thing is there that what is biodiversity? So biodiversity is a very broad topic, and we'll take that topic in a small way, or you can say in a short way. Well, biodiversity. I think I should take a new slide. That's biodiversity. So because we have to discuss about the biodiversity and then hotspots. Biodiversity and then hotspots. So the term biodiversity tells us about the variations of living organism at a specific area. The variations of living organism at a specific area is shows the variations. Means you can say if a specific area have huge variations, has huge variations of species, then you can say that that area is totally biodiverse area. And in biodiverse area, the various species are living together. They connect each other, and it makes a proper biodiversity, or you can say a proper ecosystem or proper ecology. So that's enough for them. So the term biodiversity refers a single thing, that when there is a huge population of different species, means when there is a huge variations, of species at a specific area, so that term is known as biodiversity. And the variation in the living organism, not in the different type of human beings, that some have different colors, that not that type of variations. Variations of living species, that huge type of variations in their species and various organisms are there. So that is biodiversity. So for biodiversity, 2 to 3 things should be there. That there should be a proper place where there is a natural habitat of organism, because in biodiversity every organism has its natural habitat where it can grow properly. So as I'm saying, so biodiversity means the area where various organisms, biodiverse areas are those organisms where various species are there and they have different variations. Means it's a huge crowd of variations. So that is the biodiversity. And in world where I have various mega diversities are there, in which India is also mega diverse country. India is also mega diverse country because we have huge variations of species over there, like Australia, New Zealand, America, Mexico. These are the biodiverse countries, means mega diverse country. So in India, there are some specific locations. In areas, there are some specific locations which are known as our biodiversity centers, or you can say hotspots. So when we talk about the hotspots, and you will say, sir, there is a hotspot in my cell phone. Well, it's okay that there is a hotspot in your cell phone, but when we talk about the biodiversity, when we talk about the in context of biodiversity, so hotspots means it is the area where there is huge variation, the area which are totally, or you can say highly biodiverse area, are known as the hotspot of biodiversity. Again I'm saying that I have a cell phone, and it has a hotspot, but it has a specific area. Means I think the range of that cell phone is 10 meter or 20 meter. That's 10 meter. Means it can catch the uh, it can catch Wi-Fi of till I think 10 meter or 20 meter. So it is its hotspot. So hotspot means the area. Hotspot when we talk about it in context of biology or in context of biodiversity. So hotspot is the area where huge, or you can say the very dense biodiversity is found, is known as hotspot. So in India, mainly four hotspots are there, and these hotspots are these. When you move to the that is a that is not the proper, it's a symbolic map of India. That is the Western Ghats. Okay, that is Western Ghats. Then the areas near the Sudaland, I mean you can say areas near the Sudaland, or you can say these areas are Andaman Nicobar Islands, and then after that Sudalands, and then Eastern Himalayas. These are the many specific areas. Those are the hotspots. So now we'll move to our next question. So our question was, which of the following region of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspot? Means which are known as the biodiversity hotspot in India? A. Eastern Himalayas. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Western Ghats. And D. Western Himalayas. So as I told you that Western Himalayas are not there. Suppose I don't know about that question. So if we have the knowledge to eliminate options, so we can uh, solve any question. So in that topic, option 4 is not there. So option 4. So it will not be the correct answer, and it will also not be the correct answer. So we have to talk about these topics. So Eastern Himalayas, yeah, Eastern Himalayas are there, and Western Ghats are there. Eastern Himalayas are there, and Western Ghats are there. 1 and 3. So these option is correct. Okay, why 2 is not there? If you are confused about the 2, so because that option has, because these are totally true, and true second option is not there, so it's wrong. So our correct option is option B. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following region of India is regarded as an ecological hotspot? Again, same type of question is there, that which of the following region of India is regarded as what? Ecological hotspot. Which type of hotspot? Ecological hotspots. A. Western Himalayas. B. Eastern Himalayas. C. Western Ghats. And C. Eastern Ghats. And that question was asked in the ISB 1996. Okay, means before your birth. Well, doesn't mean. So which of the following is not there? Which of the following is regarded as the ecological hotspot? A. Western Himalayas. B. Eastern Himalayas. C. Western Ghats. And D. Eastern Ghats. So it's simple to you that ecological hotspots. So that is the Western Ghats. Western Ghats of India are known as the Western Ghats of India are known as the ecological hotspots of India. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, uh, 6 to 7 people are there. Yeah, 6 to 7 people are live there. Well, thank you very much. It's a very good thing. And I will also share that link to my friends, my colleagues. So everyone, be live over there because we are live. So try to attend these questions. Okay. So as I'm saying, yeah. So we are talking about these things. So whenever we have to talk about these things, so the tallest known living tree, which of the following is the tallest known living tree? A. Eucalyptus. B. Sequoia. C. Deodar. And D. Parang. So again, 17 people are live there. Then try to attend that question. It's a simple question. It's a one-liner question. Which of the following is the tallest living tree till today? Yeah, that question was asked in 1995. It doesn't mean, but till today, which of the following is the tallest plant? Yeah, tallest plant or tree, because plants are the small babies of trees, or you can say plants are, when the plants grow, then they will be the tree. So which of the following is the tallest living tree? So the correct answer is sequoia. Sequoia, mainly it is found in the USA region, or you can say American region. Sequoia is the mainly I think it's in California. I don't know about the correct answer. So the longest tree is found in the USA. And now we'll move to the next option. So eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is found in India as well as Australia. In various countries are there. It is known as the enemy. It is known as the enemy of ecosystem. Enemy of ecosystem. This question I've been asked many times. That's why I'm going to repeat that thing. Why eucalyptus is known as the enemy of ecosystem, or you can say enemy of environment? Why? So things is there because the eucalyptus trees. I think you have seen about the eucalyptus tree. These are mainly tall trees, and these are mainly states. Tall and straight trees are there, and they have the capability, or you can say they have the capacity, that when the farmer planted these trees in their fertile land, so these plants have the capability, due to their root, they suck maximum water as they can. They suck maximum water as they can, or you can say they can absorb maximum water as they can, and due to which the crops nearby these trees, doesn't get uh, a efficient amount of water for their growth and development. That is why these are known as the ecological, or you can say the environmental and enemy of environmental. What is known as the enemy of environment, or you can say enemy of ecology? Everything is there. So that is all about the eucalyptus. Yeah, deodar trees are mainly found in the southern part of India, and in the southern part of India, in the Kashmir valleys, and in the Himachal Pradesh over there. These are very useful trees. So deodar is a good thing. These are also long trees. And parang, I don't know about the parang. So now I think we should move to the next question. Our next question is, a species is a species is regarded to be extinct if a species is regarded to be extinct if it has not seen in the natural habitat form. A species is considered to be extinct. To be extinct. Yeah. A species is considered to be extinct if it has not been seen in its natural habitat for option A 15 years, B 25 years, C 40 years, and D 50 years. And that question was asked in the UPPCS 2005. So everyone try to attend that question. Yeah, a simple question. And I think you have been aware about the red data book and the yellow data book. Various books are there, and they mainly tells about the endangered species, means extended the species which are going to be uh, depleted from that environment, or you can say from that ecosystem or that earth. So those species are kept in the red data book. Mainly that provides us a name of that organism which are going to be depleted, or which are in danger. So well, doesn't mean we have to talk about the species is considered to be extinct. If it has not been seen its natural habitat. Suppose in our habitat, I'm seeing means I can see I can see sparrows are there. I can see small gorilla, which is known as sparrow are there. And if we, means all the people of that area, are unable to see sparrow, or you can say gorilla over there. So sorry. So unable to see gorilla, or you can say sparrow over there. So what happened in that condition? In that condition, if we have not seen gorilla uh, before 15 years, so we can say that these are extended species. So now you can understand that the correct answer is 15 years. A species is considered to be extant if it has not been seen in its natural habitat for 15 years. So correct answer is A, 15 years. Now the next question is, which of the following is not responsible for the extension of a species? Yeah, which of the following is not responsible for extension of a species? Means, which of the following is not responsible for the extension of species? A, broad niche, B, large body size, C, narrow niche, and D, lack of genetic variability. Wow, what a question. Which of the following is not responsible? Which of the following is not responsible for the extension of a species? Options are A, broad niche, B, large body size, C, narrow niche, and D, lack of genetic variability. Everyone, please try to attend these questions. Yeah, these are simple. 20 to 50 people are there, but it's 19 people are there. But why you are not giving answer? Come and try to comment these answers. These are simple questions. Yeah, everyone. Which of the following is not responsible for the extension of a species? Broad niche, large body size, C, narrow niche, and D, lack of genetic variability. Everyone, please answer, please. So the correct answer is narrow niche. Narrow niche is not responsible. Okay, narrow niche. Sorry, lack of genetic variability. Lack of genetic variability is that is sorry. Lack of genetic variability is also responsible for the extension of species. So it is not responsible. So lack of genetic variability is not responsible, because when you have a huge variability, so it will provide a huge variation. So that will be the answer. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. India aims to achieve land degradation neutrality by the year A, 2025, B, 2030, C, 2035, and D, 2040. And that question have been asked in UPPCS 2019. That question have been asked in UPPSC 2019. Please answer that question. India aims. As you have aware about the aims of India. So India have various aims. India or any countries have various aims for the growth and development of their country. So it is the aim of India. India aims to achieve. What is the to achieve land degradation neutrality? What land degradation neutrality for what? By the year, which year? So by the year 2030. By the year 2030, it is the India's aim that we will achieve the land neutrality before, or you can say by 2030. So it's a simple question, I think. So we should move to the next question. Our next question is yeah. Our next question is the red data book published by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, yeah, ICN, contain lists of A, endemic plants and animal species present in the biodiversity hotspots, B, threatened plants and animal species, D, protects protected sites for conservation of nature and natural resources in various countries. Yeah, before 10 minutes, or you can say 5 minutes, I have discussed about that thing. Please answer that question, that which is what is the true about them thing? Means what is true? Yeah, that question I've been asking IS. Yeah, because its label is just like the IS. When there is a various codes are there, then you can understand that this question have been asked in the UPSC, because level is very high. So a so first thing is there, when we talk about the red data book, when we talk about the red data book, so it was published by IUCN. It was, or it is, sorry, it is published by IUCN. And in red data book, we only talk about those species which are endangered. In species mainly we talk about the plants and animals. So well, so first thing is there, endemic plant and animal species present in the biosphere, not, so we doesn't talk about the endemic. B, yeah, option B is there, that threatened plants and animal species. Yeah, in that is true, because in red data book we talk about the threatened plants and animals. That's true. C, protected sites for the conservation of nature and natural resources in various countries. That is wrong, because we generally, or you can say truly, we doesn't talk about the protected sites and its conservation in the protected sites and conservation in the red data book. We only talk about the endangered species. Okay, the endangered species, or you can say threatened species of plant and animals over there. So I think so correct option 2. So option B is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, endangered species are listed in, that is again similar question. A dead stock book, B, a red data book, C, livestock book, and D, none of the above. Okay, that question have been asked in UPPSC 2013. Again, please answer that question, everyone. I'm still waiting for your answers. I'm still waiting for your answers. Answer that question. Yeah, everyone, answer this question, because it's mandatory. Answer that question, because you can say various peoples are live there. 90 to 20 peoples are there. The number of live students are increasing. The number of live students are increasing, but I don't know why they are not active. Why they are not active? Yeah, everyone, please be active. Please be active over there and try to comment these questions. So as I'm saying, please join over there and try to attend these questions. Well, so again, the answer is same, the red data book, because in red data book we talk about the endangered species. Sorry, endangered species, not endangered, endangered species. In red data book we talk about the endangered species. Okay, and in endangered species, all the species have been we talk about all the species which are necessary to be studied over there. So everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following Indian bird is a highly endangered species? Yeah, that question has been asked in the UPPSC 2005. So now you can understand that question. Which of the following Indian bird is a highly endangered species? A, golden oriole. B, great Indian bustard. C, uh, Indian pantal pigeon. And D, Indian sunbirds. Everyone, okay, please answer that question. That what is the correct answer? Means, which of the following? These birds are still till today. These are endangered. These are endangered. They are, you can say, highly endangered. Endangered. Please answer that question, everyone. Please try to answer that question. That what is correct over there, everyone. Please. Well, I think various people are live there, but I think they are feeling shy. Okay, they are feeling shy. Well, it doesn't mean. So as I'm saying, which of the following Indian birds is a highly endangered? So the correct answer is, no one is giving the correct answer. Well, the correct answer is great Indian bustard. Great Indian bustard in the correct answer. Great Indian bustard is mainly found in the Rajasthan, is mainly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat area, and Gujarat in India, and Gujarat in India. In Hindi, it is also known as Gondawan Pakshi. Gondavan Pakshi. It is also known as Gondavan Pakshi. Okay, and next thing is there that when India got independence, so it was in the news in that condition, and in when India, when the our national bird has to be decided, so it was in news, and it was told that the these bird will be our national bird. These bird will be our national bird, but due to some reasons, peacock have gained that thing that till today peacock is our national bird. And that Gondavan, or you can say that the great Indian bustard is the state animal, sorry, is the state bird of Rajasthan. It's a state bird of Rajasthan. State bird. It's a state bird of Rajasthan. Great Indian bustard is the state bird of Rajasthan. To try to remember that thing, that it is the state bird of Rajasthan. So now we'll move to our next question. Our next question is there. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Okay, which one of the following is not correctly matched? A, golden langur endangered. B, desert cat endangered. Sorry, yeah, desert cat endangered. C, Holcock gibbon endangered. D, Asiatic wild dog threatened. Again, answer that question. That which of the following is correct? Is not correctly matched. Please try to attend this question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Okay. At our channel, you will find everything over there. That we have a mock test. We have a mock test of which was mainly taken by me. And at 6 o'clock, you will find me at 6 o'clock in the evening. There is a mock test of 30 questions. Nowadays, these are going for subjective wise, and after that, after some days, we will try to make some questions over there, and the number of question will be increased. The number of question will be increased in those videos, and I hope you will like those videos. And I think we have completed 3 to 4 mocks over there. And so if you want to if you want to join those mock, then please join us at 6 o'clock. And definitely, if you will join us, then we will try to boost your confidence level too. So uh, answer, please answer, give me the answer. Well, if you are unable to give me answer, so that will be the homework. That is your homework. And now you will say, sir, why you are why it's homework? It is homework because whenever uh, today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, or after 1 week, 2 week, after 1 year, whenever you have time, please comment that answer, because I'm still waiting for your comments or your answers. Okay, channel is new, that's why I'm saying please try to comment these things. Well, it is your homework. Whenever you will be free, then please try to google it and try to answer these questions. Well, that is question number 10. Now we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity? Well, which of the following is not the reason for loss of biodiversity in Uttarakhand? Options are A, expansion of roads, B, urbanization, C, afforestation of barren land, and D, extension of agriculture. Everyone, please, it's a simple question. Try to attend that question. Which of the following is not a reason? Which of the following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity? Means we have we have to talk about the loss of biodiversity. Which of the following is not the reason for the loss of biodiversity? A, expansion of roads. B, urbanization. C, afforestation of barren lands. And C, extension of agriculture. So the correct answer is afforestation of barren land. Why it is the correct answer? Suppose we come on every topic. Expansion of roads. Yeah, expansion of road is also thing, because when you expand roads, so for construction of road you have to cut jungles, I mean forest and various natural fauna. So that is harmful. But that because we have to grow, and roads provides growth and development of that area. So that is important. So we can't say that the expansion of road is the right answer. Urbanization. Yeah, for urbanization we also talk about. For urbanization, we also cut jungles, or you can say forest. But it is the reason, but it is not the totally reason that if you will stop urbanization, so where the human being will live. So urbanization is also required. So it could not be the correct answer. It is talking about the not a reason, not reason. Which of the following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity? Afforestation is not a law is afforestation is not for the loss of biodiversity. Why? Because when there is afforestation means cultivation of forest. Afforestation means cultivation of forest. Cultivation of forest. Afforestation means cultivation of forest, and because we are going to cultivate them in barren lands, in barren lands, we are going to cultivate these on barren lands. So now you can say why these are important, why these have important things, because these are these will be cultivated in barren lands, and when the barren lands have the trees, so that will increase biodiversity, that will increase biodiversity. So the correct answer is that not reason for the loss of biodiversity, because it will increase the biodiversity, it will increase the biodiversity. So option C is there. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following statements about Sikkim, wow, about Sikkim are true? Which of the following statements about Sikkim are true? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Means we have to select the correct options from given quotes. A, it became an integral part of India in 1975. I don't know about it. B, it is considered as botanist paradise. Yeah, it could be right, but I don't know. I'm not perfect. C, its population is mainly made up of the lepchas. That is correct. That is correct. Means when if in yeah, it will be in, wow, yeah, it's a lower pieces question, but its organization, or you can say its preparation, shows that it's a question of UPSC. Well, doesn't mean so. In mainly in Sikkim's lepchas are there. In mainly in Sikkim lepchas are there. So that option is correct. Option 3 is correct. So when option 3 is correct, so that option is wrong, and that option is wrong. So now we have to discuss about 1, 2, and 3. We have to discuss about 1, 2, and 3. So for a kind information, Sikkim became an integral part of India in 1975. 75, that is true. Because Sikkim have begun, or you can say Sikkim have gained the statehood, or you can say complete statehood in 1975. That's true. B, it is considered as the botanist paradise. Yeah, it is also true, because due to its greenery, or you can say special vegetative special conditions, or special, just like the environmental condition, various different of species of plants, various different, or you can say extant species of plants are found in that area. So that is why it is known as the paradise, swarg, paradise of botanist. So it's true. And whenever, if you have seen the many universities, many central universities, or you can say state universities, whenever they have to took tour for their for educational purpose, so they generally says, come, we will join the northeastern state, because they have huge botanical biodiversity, they have a huge botanical biodiversity, means every type of biodiversity is over there. That is why these are known as the paradise of botanist, or you can say paradise of yeah, botanical institute. Well, now we'll move to the next question. So option 1 to 3 is 1 to 3 is correct there. So option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, the most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life is life is the establishment of life is the establishment of A, biosphere reserve, B, botanical gardens, C, national parks, and D, wildlife sanctuaries. Please, that question have been asked in IS 2014. Everyone, please try to answer these questions. Again, I'm repeating. The most important strategy means the most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity. For what? For which? For the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life, with traditional human life in the establishment of which? A, biosphere reserve, B, botanical gardens, C, national parks, and D, wildlife sanctuaries. Everyone, please answer that question. Yeah, try to answer these questions. These are mandatory for everyone. Yeah. Well, so well, 6 to 7 people are there live there. Okay. So the most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with this traditional human life is the establishment of. So the correct answer is not botanical gardens, not national parks, not wildlife sanctuaries. The correct answer is biosphere reserve. Because in biosphere reserve, we we generally conserve the biodiversity in its in situ area, not ex situ area, in its in situ area. So which is also good for the human life activities. So the correct answer is biosphere reserves. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following is not a site for an in situ method of conservation of flora? Well, in situ again, in situ method of conservation of flora. In situ means on its natural habitat. Ex situ means conservation but not its natural habitat. Like zoos are there, zoos, some gardens over there. So these are not the in situ. These are ex situ. These are ex situ conservation. Why? Because in ex situ conservation, we generally took the animals, you can say plants over there, and these are not their natural habitats. We try to provide them. We try to provide them the things, or you can say the environment like their habitat, like their proper habitat, but like their proper habitat, but it is not the natural habitat. We are trying to provide them. So those are things are known as the ex situ. Like in zoos, in in zoos, or you can say zoological gardens, or you can say botanical gardens. Mainly, we try. Suppose we have lion, or we have cheetah over there. So for them, no forest is there, so we provide them flesh, or you can say meat, for them for their food and development. So what is this? So it is not their natural habitat, because when lion will hunt itself, when lion or tiger will hunt itself for their food, so that is their natural things. So that is the natural things. So in jungle what happened there, that they will find the exact place for their hunting. So that is their natural habitat. So well, which of the following is not a site for an in situ method? In situ method, not a site for in situ method. A, biosphere reserve. No, because in biosphere reserve, generally it's an in situ. Biosphere reserve is a in situ conservation, because in biosphere reserve we conserve the whole area, and in that area various plants, animals will live in their natural habitat, which doesn't you can say, yeah, I'm not I have not the specific word for them. We doesn't migrate them. We doesn't migrate them from their place. Means they are found in their natural habitat. So these are the correct answers. So next is the botanical gardens. Yeah, botanical gardens, national park, and wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries are not there. Yeah, that is the botanical gardens. Botanical gardens are there because botanical gardens are ex situ. These are ex situ, and the question is not a site of in situ, means that should be ex situ, and botanical gardens are ex situ, because in botanical gardens various plants are there, various plants are kept, but we are unable, or you can say the officers are unable to provide them their natural habitat. So that is the ex situ conservation. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following gas, which of the following gas is commonly used in cryobank? Wow. In cryobank, or you can say cryogenic bank, for ex situ conservation. Well, it's a nice question. Which of the following gas, which of the following gas is used, which of the following gas is commonly used in cryogenic bank? Where? In cryogenic bank for ex situ conservation. For what? For ex situ conservation. A, nitrogen. B, oxygen. C, carbon dioxide. And D, methane. And that question was asked in the UPPCS mains 2019. Everyone, please try to attend that question, please. Yeah, it's mandatory for you. It's mandatory for you. That's why I'm saying try to attend these questions. Yeah, someone is commenting. Someone has given us comment. Yeah, you are right. Totally, you are right. Yeah, that is the Lanvis Chipra. Yeah, you are right. Abnayation. Lanvis Chipra answered D. Very good, Chipra ji. I don't know where have you given. Please, firstly, try to write the options over there. Try to write options there, means question number. That which question number is correct or incorrect when you will give you the options. So now so I'll try to give me the question number and that option, that like 16b 16a, then that will be the answer. Because if you are going to provide these type of answers, so I can't understand well. Now try to answer these questions. So next question is, so in that question, which of the following gas is commonly used in cryogenic banks for in situ conservation? In situ conservation: A, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane. Suppose I don't know anything, but if you have a little knowledge about chemistry, if you have a little knowledge about chemistry, so you know that the nitrogen is nitrogen is just like the inert gas. It is just like a inert gas. It is just like a inert gas. So if we use it, if we use that gas in cryogenic banks, if we use that gas in cryogenic bank, so it will help us, it will help us to conserve organism in our cryogenic bank, to conserve organism in our cryogenic bank. So that will be the correct answer, nitrogen. Why these options are there? Oxygen. If you will provide oxygen there, so all the living organisms will oxidize, and they will be, they can't be conserved in a cryogenic bank. Again, CO2 and methane, same conditions are there. So now we'll move to the next question. Learn with Cipra, option D. I don't know that you have given option D, but give me the question number, that then I can understand that what you are about to say. Well, the next question is, the maximum biodiversity is found in, the maximum biodiversity is found in A, tropical rainforest, that is A, tropical rainforest, B, temperate forest, C, coniferous forest, and D, arctic forest. That is the maximum biodiversity, that is the maximum biodiversity. So everyone who is live there, try to attend these questions. Who is live there, try to attend these questions. Well, because tropical rainforest, if you have seen the globe, it's a globe, it's equator, you can say 0 degree line, it's equator, or you can say 0 degree line, and and it is that should be right, that is 23 degree and 5 minutes, that is again 23 degree and 5 minutes, that is north, that is south, again south north. So these areas have huge sunlight, these areas have huge sunlight, huge sunlight. When there will be huge sunlight, there will be huge rain, there will be huge rain. When there will be huge rain, so there will be more plants, more plants. When there will be more plants, so there will be more biodiversity, more biodiversity. Or in this area, these are known as the tropical rainforest, which what is known as the, these are known as tropical rainforest. Again, someone asking, what do you mean by cryobank? Well, again, just a minute, I'm about to tell you about the cryobank. So these things are, so these things are, okay, so these things are very important, these things are very important, because in these area, because due to these have the huge light, or you can say huge sunlight. So when there will be huge sunlight, when there will be huge sunlight, so these area have huge sunlight, so huge rain is there. When there will be huge rain, there will be huge forest over there, or huge plants over there. And when there will be huge plants there, so there will be huge biodiversity. So the correct answer is tropical rainforest, because that area, in that area, tropical rainforest are found. Surprise is asking, sir, what do you mean by cryobank? Well, uh, cryobank, or you can say cryobanks, are known as the cryogenic banks. Cryobanks is the short form of cryogenic bank. This is the where is the cryogenic bank? Yeah, cryobank. Cryobank are known as the cryogenic bank. Okay, I think, ma'am, I think you have heard about. I think you have heard about the sperm bank, I sperm bank, ovum bank, And what these sperms and or you can say ovums are kept in cryobanks, or you can say cryogenic banks. In cryogenic bank, the temperature is below, temperature is very low, and when the temperature will be very low, so there will be no harmness, there will be no harmness in the you can say in the seeds, or you can say in the sperm, ovum, everything was there. Means in cryogenic, because the temperature is low, so there will be no degradation, there will be no degradation in the organism. So these type of the banks, which the banks, these are not the banks the to uh, these are not the banks like our SBI or other banks. These are the botanical institute, or you can say geological institute, or is the scientific research areas where where the specimens where specimens are kept for study, where specimens are kept for study. If you are a biology student, or you can say, yeah, biology students, so you have seen various animals or various plants at your if you have seen the various plants, so you have a herbarium files, and you have seen the animals, so these are kept in a specific liquid, and they doesn't harm them. As the same in cryogenic banks, if there is a huge amount of nitrogen, so that will not allow the oxidation of those organisms, so there will be no degradation. So I think it's clear to you. Well, now the next question is, yeah, the next question is, in which of the following ecosystem the species biodiversity is relatively higher? A, deep sea; B, tropical rainforest; C, coral reefs; and D, deserts. So yeah, in which of the following ecosystem the species biodiversity is relatively. So both are correct. In that option, I think coral reefs have also huge biodiversity, and the tropical rainforest both have huge biodiversity. So according me, both are correct. Language Shipra, thanks, thanks, ma'am. Well, so both are correct, but the correct answer should be the, I think, the tropical rainforest. Okay. So now we will move to the next question. Which of the following has the largest biodiversity? Again, which of the following has the largest biodiversity? Options are there: A, temperate deciduous forest biome; B, tropical forest biome; C, temperate grassland biome; and C, savanna biome. Again, the same type of question, so answer will be the same, that the maximum biodiversity or huge biodiversity will generally found in the tropical region. So the correct answer will be the tropical rainforest biome. Well, now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following is considered the hotspots of biodiversity? Which of the following is considered as the which of the following is considered as the hotspots of biodiversity? Yeah, everyone, please try to attend these questions. I'm still waiting for your answer. Okay, and second thing is there, because if you are going to study these things on online, mainly you are taking you are watching me online, so if your mood is not good, then try to take tea, coffee, everything over there. I have flatters over there, but everything, anything could be there, and try to eat them, gain some energy, and try to again study them well. So our next question is, which of the following is considered as hotspots of biodiversity in India? A, Aravalli Hills; B, Western Ghats is considered a hotspot of biodiversity in India. Well, A, Aravalli Hills; B, Western Ghats; C, Eastern Ghats; and D, Indo-Gangetic Plain. Okay, RO ARO 2021. Well, it's a new question, so it's wrong, and it's wrong. It's wrong. Only Western Ghats are there, because in Western Ghats, various type, or you can say huge type of biodiversity is there. 18B, someone has a 18B, Shipra. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, Shipra ji, you are right. 18B is the right answer. Well done. So now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is considered as the hotspots of biodiversity in India? A, Aravalli Hills; B, Western Ghats; C, Eastern Ghats; and D, Indo-Gangetic Plains. So I have given the answer that is the Western Ghats, which have the maximum biodiversity over there. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, in which of the following type of forest maximum plant diversity found in India? Oh, sorry, maximum plant biodiversity is found. Again, I'm still waiting for your answers. Try to answer these questions. Yeah, I don't know about the exact answer. Then please try to answer these questions. I'm still waiting for your answers. That is question number 20. Yeah, that is question number 20. Well, I think everyone has slept. Well, doesn't mean. So again, tropical moist deciduous forest. B, subtropical mountain forest. C, temperate moist forest. Tropical evergreen forest. So option will be option D. Tropical evergreen forest have the maximum plant biodiversity in it. Okay. Well, now we'll move to the next question. So that is our next question. That is our end of slides. So friends, if you like our videos, then please, if you like our videos, then please like, share and subscribe. And we will again meet with a new video with a new class. And I hope you will like these classes. Okay. So friends, that's enough for today. Have a nice day. Stay tuned. Bye bye.